Now let's move away from the content side and talk about the fulfillment. So with fulfillment, if you are a Seller Central user, Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, is something that you'd want to try, because that helps you to sell more, because the conversion for FBA products is much higher than non-FBA products. If you are new to FBA, you can always start with a limited amount of stock. You can send 5s, 10s if you want, or 20s, and you can always test. And once you see the velocity of sales growing really, really well, you can send a follow-on larger volume of stock. The price for FBA is very competitive, and I've included link on the slide so you can check that out. Or you can just Google Amazon FBA fees and you'll see different fee structure.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.